Now let's just talk about the next question, that is the question number 3, which says a fez, the cap which is used by the Turks, is shaped like a frustum of a cone. So as you can see, this is nothing but the cap which is used by the Turks, and it is shaped like a frustum. You can see all by yourself. And it says if its radius on the top side is 10 centimeter, radius at the upper base is 4 centimeter, then it says its slant height is 15 centimeter. Find the area of the material which is used for making it. So we have to find out the area of the material which is used for making it. So let us suppose if we are just starting the solution of this one, so as you can see, we have to find out the area of the material which are used for making it. So the area of the material should be like the area of the material used for making it should be is equal to the CSA of the frustum, because the material that should be used to make it is nothing but the frustum and the top area, because this area is totally open. So we have this above area only. So this is nothing but CSA of the frustum plus of the area of the top, because it do have one open end. So this is the CSA of the frustum plus area of the top. So let us suppose if we are just talking about the radius. So we have the radius. Let us suppose if I am taking, let R1 is nothing but is equal to 10 centimeter and R2 as nothing but 4 centimeter, because we know that R1 is always greater than R2, which means that we have R1 as nothing but this radius, and we have this radius as nothing but R2. This radius is as nothing but R2, which is nothing but is equal to 4 centimeter. So let's just plug in all the values in this particular formula. So we have the CSA. We know that the CSA is nothing but pi of R1 plus R2 into L plus the area of the top is nothing but pi R2 whole square, because we are just taking this particular circular top only. So let's just plug in all the values over here. So let us suppose if I am just taking pi common out of it first. So this is R1L plus R2L plus of R2 whole square. So let's just plug in the value. This is 22 by 7. This is R1L. So L, the slant height, is actually given to us as nothing but 15 centimeter. So L is given to us as nothing but 15 centimeter. So this is 10 into 15 plus of we have 4 into 15 plus of R2 is nothing but 4 whole square. So let us suppose if I'm just sorting it out as 22 by 7, I'm just taking 15 common out of it. So this is 15 into we have the value as 10 plus 4, which is 14, plus of this is nothing but 16. So we have this as nothing but 16. So as you can see, we have R1 plus of R2, which is 10 plus of 4 we have. This is nothing but coming out to be 14. And further we have, this is nothing but 14. We have with further 15. So this is 15 into 14 plus of 16. So let's just sort it out. So we have the values as nothing but is equal to 22 by 7 into further we have 15 and 14. Let's just take the multiplication of it. So this is nothing but 20. We have this as 6. We have this as 5 and 1. So this is 1, 2. So this is 210. So this is 210 plus of 16. So at the end we are getting the value as 22 by 7 into, this is nothing but 226. This is 226. And now when we will sort out all the values over here, we will definitely get the answer. When we will sort out all the values over here, we will definitely get the answer as nothing but 710.28 centimeters square, because we are just finding out the area of the material which are used for making it. So the answer for this one should be nothing but 710.28 centimeters centimeter square. This is the answer for the question number 3rd. And with this is nothing but the end of the chapter, which is nothing but the surface area and the volume. So I hope all the concepts related with the surface areas of the various solids, the volumes of the solids, and the most important topic, that is nothing but the frustum of the cone, is all clear to you. So let's just practice more and more questions all by yourself.